Menteri Rangba Konrad K. Sangma bat usembut Menteri Rangba ba Preston Tensong kilayak kendu yau chairperson jongka National Human Rights Commission Justice Arun Kumar Mishra Secretary General Nhrc bat yau dukhot jongka ni ka commission Mr. Rajiv Jain kila batai benia bat sani bhajai ya ka Jingjia baro ki bala penlim ya ka Jingiem jongki henriungut ki mensimbriu kini kinoyalam ka Meghalaya kila ong ba ka jingdu no ikimen simbriu hakate ka Shillong na kikuli jong ki pulit Assam kadai na ka jing thompor persha ya ka hoklong briu manbriu jong kari kini kinoyalam kila kirpat ya ka Jingiarap jong ka Nhrc Halor kani ka Jingjia khnang bakum kini ki jing snam kinom jashu hadian habun kinoyalam ka Meghalaya kila kirpat ru banthokit ya kani ka jing penia briu daki bor jong ka Sarkar India.
We just met the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission along with the other members, and we have apprised them about the incident that happened in Mukroh village, West Jingjia Hills in Meghalaya, about the fact that how the Assam police had fired on the civilians and on the public in that village, which led to 6 people losing their lives, and we explained and expressed about how this was a very inhuman act and a complete violation of human rights, and we have apprised them about the entire actions that have been taken and the fact that CBI inquiry will take place, and we have asked for their support in this entire matter and also requested them to take necessary action from their side, as this is a clear case of human rights violation. We have also asked them that in the future these kind of incidents should not be repeated, and hence proper sensitization needs to be taken and done in terms of the forces that are there in different parts of the border areas, especially the sensitive areas, so that future these kind of incidents where innocent lives are lost does not happen ever again in any part of the country, for the matter of fact. So these were the points we discussed with them, and I thank the chairperson and the members for the time, and again I request them that they will take necessary action from their end, and I hope that we will see positive results from it.